If you've been doing the kettlebell clean and press and you're not sure how to do it correctly, you're not feeling it, you're having elbow pain, shoulder pain, even some lower back pain or knee pain, then you're going to want to stick around for this video because I'm going to show you how to do it correctly and combine these two awesome kettlebell exercises into a one secretized exercise that you could even do by itself to get fitter, to get stronger, burn calories, and get better with one kettlebell. All right, so stick around for this video. Let's get after it. So how do you do the kettlebell clean and press? So the kettlebell clean and press is an excellent exercise. It combines a conditioner, a ballistic, similar to the swing, the clean, and the grind like the press. All right, it's a full body exercise. As with all kettlebell exercises, it's a full body exercise that you can do, and you can combine just those two exercises and get an excellent workout. All right, so how do you do the kettlebell clean and press? Well, first we need to figure out how to do the clean. Or I have a video on the clean specifically, but I'm going to show you how to combine the two today. All right, how do you combine the clean and how do you combine the press together into one excellent exercise that's, done well and done right. All right, so first, the clean. So first we need to figure out where you're at with your clean. Where you're at with your kettlebell clean, because if you're still on the phase where you're doing cheat cleans, I want you to practice those cheat cleans first. All right, once you get those cheat cleans, then you can go into the press. All right, once you get the cleans, you're going to go into a clean, press. All right, cheat clean, press. All right, I have 3 steps to doing these exercises. 3 steps to the clean and press. All right, it's clean, press, progressive. All right, if you're past the clean and press, the cheat clean, you're going to go doing dead clean. You dead clean it, press it up, control it down, then you're going to repeat. Dead clean, press it up, control it down, you're going to repeat that. Or the swing clean. All right, so the 3 parts I want you to focus on here are activation, setup, activation, breathing, and control. All right, so the setup and activation. So depending on where the bell, you're going to do with the bell. If you're doing a dead clean or a cheat clean, the bell is going to be by your toes, so you can pull that bell right up. All right, if you're doing, that's the setup for that one. If you're doing a swing clean, the bell is going to be up here, so you can hike it back and clean it up this way. All right, so that's the setup part of it. Activation is activating your entire body once you clean that bell into the rack position. All right, so what do I mean by that? All right, so if I'm swing clean it up. Once I'm in this rack, I'm tight. My abs are engaged, glutes, everything's tight. My full body is squeezing and activated so I can channel the energy up into the press. As a power, breathe it up, which is the 3rd part. And then, of course, you control it down, pull it down, just like a press or just like a pull-up, just like any other press. Press it up, pull it down. All right? So the key things you want to focus on, again, are setup, activation, breathing, and control. All right? Setup and activation are 1. Setup, let's call them 4. Let's call them 4 so you don't get confused. Setup's 1, activation is 2, breathing, power breathing is 3, and then control is controlling the bell rack to the rack and repeating. All right, so putting these 3 together, okay, so here's an example of a dead clean. So I'm going to dead clean it up, set up, activate, power breathe, press it up, and then pull it down into that rack position. All right, so it looks like this, and you take your time. You don't rush through these. Your heart rate's going to be elevated anyway. You don't have to add more speed to it. That's actually how you can get injured because your technique's going down. So bells right by your toes. Clean it up. So that's the setup. Clean, activate, press, fully lock that arm, and control, pull down, and repeat. If you're doing a dead clean, you're going to just put it back on the floor, repeat. Set up, activate, press, control it down. Set up, clean it, activate, tight, power breathe it up, pull it down, repeat. All right, that's with the dead clean. All right, same thing with the cheat clean, except you're using that other hand to cheat clean it up. With the floor clean, you're gonna have to pay attention to the momentum you're building because you're swing cleaning it up. All right, the bell's moving more than with the dead clean. So with the swing clean, bell's gonna be about a foot space away, so you can hike that bell back And then this is where the getting this clean down, you're gonna pull that elbow back into that rack position. And the amount of energy and power you're gonna have on that clean on the pullback is going to depend on the weight balance you're using. All right, if you put too much weight into it, it's going to flop up. It's going to come and bang your forearm. We're trying to avoid that. All right, so if you have a lighter bell, all you need to do is hike it back and pull that elbow back and let it just roll around. All right, let it roll around. So pull it back, let it roll around. All right, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. All right, it's easy. It's simple. It's simple. So you roll, set it down. Roll, set it down. That's how you clean that bell up. And then adding in the press part is the activation part. All right. So before you press, so you get the clean, swing, clean it up, roll. Okay. And then here is where you activate and then power breathe, press, and then pull it down. All right. And this is the transition. This is where I'm going to go from press to swing. So I'm going to re-clean it here. So I drop it down. Again, moving this elbow out of the way, right? It's coming back and the bell's coming down. And then I pull it back up, right? Elbow out of the way. Roll it back up. Activate, press, repeat. Down. Activate, press, pull it down, all right? So that's why I don't want you to rush it, because if you rush these two, you're going to bang the forearms, your abs aren't going to be engaged, your lower back's going to take the load, your body's not going to be activated and create intense to support that press overhead. Everything's just going to go down. So break those apart. So this is how I break them apart, right? Again, just like I said, set up, bell's here, hike it back, activate, press, pull it down. All right, now I know I'm going to re-clean it. So what do? All right, elbow back, drop, re-clean it, press, pull it down, repeat, activate, squeeze, press, pull it down, repeat. Bell should roll around, activate, press, pull down. You just repeat this sequence, all right? Same thing if you're doing the dead clean. It's down, activate, press, down. And with the cheat clean, activate, cheat, press, down, cheat clean it down. All right. Same sequence. The only thing that's different is your clean. Either cheat, dead, or swing. All right. That's the same sequence. All right. So what are they again? Set up, full body activation and tension. Power breathing to press it up, channeling the energy up, and then pulling it down, controlling, and then, all right, pausing briefly, resetting, knowing you're going to clean again, repeat it, either dead clean, cheat clean, or floor clean it right back up, all right, or swing clean it, all right. So as you get used to these exercises and the sequence, when you're doing your cleans and your presses, you're going to get into like a rhythm, like a flow, you could just keep going as long as you slow down the tempo and control each rep, right? Just like I showed you. So let me show you a little bit. I'll show you. So that's my heavier bell here, or lighter bell. So the same thing as the setup with the heavier bell, all right? The same process, all right? So I'm here. Once you get this down, you can do this, all right? So you clean it, activate, press, and then pull. All right, now I know I'm going to clean it. So abs are always tight. Re-clean. Activate. Press. Control it down. Re-clean. Activate. Press. Always control. Pull it down. And then you set it down or you keep going, guys. So it just depends on the weight. 3 to 5 reps. Never really go past 5 to 8 at the most. But again, getting this down, this technique down. All right, so to wrap up, my 4 key components of my clean and press. How to do them together, synchronizing, because this exercise in itself is excellent for as you could tell, getting your heart rate up with the clean, pressing, strength move, full body strength move, stronger shoulders, stronger abs, full body, and then repeating that. That's going to challenge you at another level, right? Trust me, it's a great exercise. Once you practice this and you try this and you get this routine going, you're going to know what I mean, all right? So what are the key components again? Again, setup. Setup is number one, depending on how you're going to get the bell up, all right? If it's a dead clean, bell's going to be by your toes, dead clean or cheat clean. If it's a swing clean, you're about a foot space or so away, so you can swing that ball back and swing clean it up, or hike it back and swing clean it up. And then step two is right as you come into that, as you clean it, right as you come into that rack position hold, you're tensing the body, right? So you're everything locked. So it's like clean, tight, activation, activate the body, tense, and then power breathe it up, taking that energy you just gained from the ground, from the clean, and you're channeling that energy all the way up to the strong press, all right? That's step three. And then step four is control it back down. All right, and then repeat the clean. All right, set up, clean, activate, press, control, repeat, set up, clean, activate, press, control, and repeat that process. All right, that's it, guys. That's how you put together the clean and press. All right, when you're doing these exercises, full body activation. All right, when I say activate, I mean abs, glutes, quads, everything's locked because you have to have, this arm is squeezing as well, because as you're pressing that bell, you're squeezing, you're channeling the energy up. If you lose any energy or power anywhere by not staying tight, it's going to show in your press, all right? It's going to be heavier, and you might even start bending to the side. That's how you can injure yourself, all right? So that's where activation, full body activation, full body tension. You could even practice, you know, without a weight. You can just, from the ground, you can just pretend you have a bell, clean, tight. So once I get here, I'm tightening up, quad, everything's locked. Press it up, power breathe, pull it down, repeat, out of the way, roll, control, up out of the way, bell's gonna drop, control, and then repeat that process. Do that without a weight. If you need to get that, if you need to break down those movements, you don't have a light enough bell, practice without the weight and then add the bell a little bit more, or a little bit later, all right, guys? All right, guys, so that is the clean and press, how to synchronize it together so you do it correctly, eliminate elbow pain, shoulder pain, back pain, or knee pain, and know how to do it correctly so you can put it into one synchronized, excellent, full body workout. It's going to challenge, it's going to burn calories, it's going to burn fat, it's going to get you stronger. It's just an excellent combo exercise, one of my favorites to do together, especially when you do it right. Feel strong. Do it right, guys. You're going to be happy you did. Thanks for showing up today. Watching this video, rewatch this, replay it, practice, practice, practice. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to help you out, get this clean and press combo down safely with perfect technique. All right, guys? So, again, thanks for showing up, guys. Oh, if you want a 5-minute full body kettlebell workout, absolutely free, picked it up in the description below. I made that. So at any time, even limited time, you have a workout to do, 5 to 10 minutes, one bell, your body, knock it out. You can save that. So anytime you're in a bunch, in a bind, you can always get a workout in. 5 to 10 minutes, you knock it out. All right. So pick it out below. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Next video right here, which is going to be the clean, where I break down how to do those clean exercises, and then the press, I'll link that as well below. All right, have an awesome day, guys. Train strong, get after it, do these cleans and presses. One day at a time, get better, stronger. You're gonna get fit. You're gonna drop the weight. You're gonna get strong, both physically and mentally. All right, guys, have an awesome day. See you in the next video. Have an awesome day.